This is the Winchester Model 12 pump action shotgun. This particular shotgun was made in 1950, is chambered in 12 gauge, and will hold 6 2 3/4 shells. This video will cover correct operation, field stripping for cleaning, and reassembly. To begin, we'll verify that the chamber is empty, as well as the magazine. The safety is located in front of the trigger guard. Pushing it to the right is on. Push it to the left is off. Your visual confirmation is the red stripe. If you see red, safety is off, the weapon will fire. We'll be using inert safety snap caps that will protect the firing pin. To load the shotgun, with the safety on, the slide rearward, and the action open, load your first shell into the ejection port. Move the slide forward. Turn the shotgun upside down. Load the remaining shells into the magazine. Listen for an audible click to verify that the magazine is closed. To fire the shotgun, release the safety, pull the trigger. Moving the slide rearward, ejects the spent casing, moving the slide forward, loads the next shell. Repeat. When the shotgun is empty, put the safety back on. In the event that you have a live shell in the shotgun with it cocked and loaded, which you wish to unload, you safely may do so by using this button located at the bottom left of the receiver. It is the slide disconnect. If you push that, the slide will release, allowing you to move rearward and eject any shells safely. The shotgun may be disassembled into 2 main components for easier cleaning. To do so, move the slide forward. Be sure the safety is on. Located at the front of the magazine tube is a button. If you push that button all the way in, you may rotate the magazine tube. Then carefully move the slide forward. This will allow you to rotate the barrel holding on to the stock, and it comes into 2 main components. To reassemble, put the barrel into the receiver, rotate it, push the slide gently backwards, release the slide disconnect, move rearward. Be sure the tube is all the way pushed in. You may now rotate it back, push the button up, to confirm that it has been reassembled correctly. We'll insert an inert shell, slide forward, safety functions. Enjoy your shotgun.